Hi everyone, how are you today? Are you ready for a fabulous Friday look? I think I'm pretty ready for it and very excited. I want to ask you something. What is your way to add color to your home sweet home? Whenever I want to add colors to my home sweet home, I would definitely go for a plant or flowers. Yeah, plants, flowers, and cushions. That's the best way for me to go when I want to add colors to my home sweet home. Quick, easy, simple way, okay? And now I think you have guessed it what I am about to do today with my eye look. This is my makeup cushion. I love the pattern, I love the colors, and I'm going to play with these three colors today and create a Friday fun look. I know you are excited as well to see how am I going to create that look. Let me show you the swatches and then we will get started. These are the swatches. As you saw that it has three colors, orange, black and white. So I'm going to take those three colors for sure, but I'm going to take two variations of orange. One is shimmery and the other one is matte. And now I will show you how I'm going to play with those colors and get something creative, fun. Let's do that. So first step, I'm going to take my favorite matte orange in my collection, grab the colors and get started. Concentrating on the lid area and blending it. Blend, blend, blend. Yes, need a lot of blending with this orange because I really want that saturated color on my lid area, my crease area. Transition. I just love this orange. I was so excited when this idea came in my mind and I wanted to start playing with these colors right away. You know me, I love colors and I always say that color inspiration is everywhere. Look at that, well blended. Now taking the same shade, a pinpointed and edgy look here, right here to the transition area because I really want that orange to give me a nice base. So excited to rock this look. Definitely going out somewhere wearing this look. Friday fun, right? Love all the bold colors here in this look. Orange is done. Next thing, I'm going to use matte black. Oh, not this side. Leaving the innermost corner, I'm placing the color right here. Do you see that? It will be fantastic. Okay, what is your weekend look? Is it going to be smoky, soft? Now it's time to take the outer corner brush. I'm using black again and concentrating right here. You know, I always say that I'm going to make an arrow shape right there. Okay, pretty easy and simple. Okay, now I am going to blend this color a little, not much, just a little. Very gently. I do not want to lose the color, I just want to get a little blending effect. Now time to use my finger and pat that shimmery orange on the center part of my lid area. Look at that. Overlap the black and the orange. Overlap it. Play with the color until you are satisfied. I'm sure I'm going to use this color as my finishing touch because I love this shimmery orange a lot. Okay, now a blending. What do I say? Pat it, build it, blend it. Blending is done. Now I'm going to take that matte orange one more time, concentrating right here to the crease area and giving it a nice half circle effect. Okay, it is again blending my black eyeshadow and the orange. From where are you going to get your makeup inspiration today? Look at that orange. Do you like orange? I like orange a lot. I think it is my second favorite. Can't say actually, because I love fuchsia, I love red, I love orange, I love pink. I love all the colors, my friend. Now I'm going to take that shimmery orange one more time. I told you that I'm going to use that a lot today because I am in love with that color. Excitement. This is really fun. Look at that color. It's like so brightening. So I'm dabbing it, then I am sweeping it across the lid area. That way get a very saturated color. I mean, the color payoff is really good here. Okay, now again I'm going to take the smallest brush in my collection, and this time no color on that brush, just the little stroke here and there, so that all the colors are blending into each other and giving me a seamless look. If you are an orange lover like me, I mean the color, you will definitely play with these colors, I'm sure, because this is really very vibrant look. I mean, awesome. Okay, now the white, tapping off the excess. Okay, really, oh wow, that's a lot of color. Now clearing my brush and blending it. This look packs a punch. I mean, very beautiful, striking. I can't wait to go out and rock this look today. Now today I'm going to line my eyes first and then concentrate on the lower lash line with all the colors, that beautiful sparkly shimmery orange and matte black. So let me line my eyes first and then we'll talk. Okay friends, I'm back. I have lined my eyes, as you can see. I have curled my lashes, couple of coats of mascara. That is done. Now I'm going to take that matte black first and then I'll show you what to do. I'm taking my smudge brush and connecting it right here, intensifying that look. Just dabbing, okay? I know you all are absolutely busy and you are taking time out and watching my videos. I'm very thankful for that. Alright, now what I'm doing here is I'm taking that matte black eyeshadow, taking my smudge brush here, and I'm going to just dab it right there. Dab it, okay, and I'm intensifying the look here. I think it's a perfect look for a very bright sunny day, and I'm looking outside my window. Kids are playing outside. It's a bright sunny day. It's a very beautiful look outside, and I'm pretty happy with these vibrant colors. I can't wait to rock this look. Now I am going to dip my brush into that shimmery orange and overlapping that with my black. So you can see a lot of black but at the same time you can see that shimmery orange as well. Okay, now I'm going to take that white shade just a little bit right here. Not that I do it every day, but I feel like doing it today. That color is actually packing a punch. I am absolutely happy and going to rock it for sure. Did I achieve the look? Ta-da! I think I've achieved the look. Go play with these colors and create something beautiful, unique to yourself. Rock the look and have fun this weekend playing with all the colors. You all know that you are welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary. I know my viewers know about it, but I still want to say that you are welcome to watch fun makeup tutorials in my channel Soma's Makeup Diary. So tomorrow will be another beautiful day, another fun look, and I'll be right back with all of you. Bye for now, have fun, rock the look and subscribe.